Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to... Hey, can I borrow the keys? Yeah, sure. Thanks. Here. There you go. Yep. Alright, see you. Today I'm going to teach you how to clone yourself in your videos. Alright, cloning. Cloning is hands down one of the coolest effects that you can do in your videos. It's not at all what I'd call a subtle effect, but it's still a lot of fun to use because of how punchy it is and what kind of feel it gives it and how it just blows some people's minds. So I think it's a lot of fun. You just gotta make sure you don't overuse this effect. Now, there's two different ways that you can do cloning in your videos. I'm going to show you the easier way because the longer way takes a very long time to teach and a high understanding of masking. Everything you do in cloning, everything is just based off masking. That's how the whole thing works. So you'll want to make sure and do is keep your background, make sure that it doesn't change. There's no videos playing, there's no trees with leaves and the wind blowing. Make sure that your background is completely static. As you probably guessed, the best way to do this is indoors with nothing moving. That's one. Second, make sure your camera is entirely switched to manual mode. Make sure that you're on manual focus, manual ISO, shutter speed. Everything has to be set to manual. White balance, everything, because the slightest change will be super noticeable in this. Like, it has to be spot on. The way that I'm going to teach it to you today is that you act out one part, you act out the other, and you make sure that the two versions of you don't intersect. Like, if there's an imaginary line, they never cross it. Like, you can't shake your own hand. That would be too hard to do. I'm not going to teach you how to do that. But what you can do is have casual conversations, toss the keys if you're a little more advanced, or just, just fun little tricks like that. And let me show you how to do it on the computer. Okay, now we're on the computer. So first thing you'll want to do is open up Premiere Pro. Once you've opened up Premiere Pro, hit New Project. I'm going to title this Cloning 2. I got the video that I'm going to use as an example right here on my desktop already. So we'll just go ahead and drag that in. I'll import the files. So here's my actual video clip. And here's what's gonna happen. This is what it looks like when I just play it back. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing decent. Did you hear about the weather yesterday? Okay, notice how I was sort of having a conversation, but I was pausing, and I was imagining myself saying a response, and then thinking about how long it would take. And here's the other side of the clip. Pretty good, what about you? No, I haven't heard about it. And now all we're gonna do is we're going to cut this whole transitional period. So right from here to right around there, it's gonna be useless. And we're going to drag one clip on top of the other. And let's see here. Let's see if I line this up right. Hey, how are you doing? Pretty good, what about you? I'm doing decent. Did you hear about the weather yesterday? No, I haven't heard about it. It was like insanely rainy. Okay, my alignment wasn't perfect, but I think you get the idea. Now let me show you how to actually mask this and the most important part. So we're gonna select the top clip. Now we're gonna go up to Effect Controls, go to Opacity, select this little pen tool right here, and I would change this to about a 25%, and then I will mask out this side of the frame, just like that, and I'll hit inverted. And boom, two of me suddenly pop up. Isn't that interesting? Hey, how are you doing? Alright, so one of the things that you might have noticed is right down the middle here. If I zoom in, you can see it a little better. And if I deselect, then you see how there's like a little shadow that you can see right there where the clips change. Well, the easiest way that I know to fix it is if you go to Mask Feather and you increase the mask feather. Oh, that's too much. Not too much, just like about that much. Then it should, see, the shadow is suddenly gone. And now if we select that to fit, we'll play that back one more time. Hey, how are you doing? Pretty good, what about you? I'm doing decent. Did you hear about the weather yesterday? No, I haven't heard about it. It was like insanely rainy. Okay, that's good now. Alright, and here we go. Now you've got your cloning. You can select that, export it, put it into your video, and that's literally all it takes is 30 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, perhaps you should leave a like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next one. Bye bye.
Yeah. We just need some room to breathe. We got mouths, we gotta feed. Killer beat to keep the lease. Gotta step on your feet. Know the dream, it isn't cheap. Tryna take us overseas. Put some masses in a seat.
I just want to quickly interrupt this video saying I did not stop weekly uploads. I was on a trip to California and I wasn't able to edit or really upload for that time being. So no weekly uploads are still a thing. It's all full. It's full steam. This is the first weekend I've been back and I'm uploading this video this weekend. So no worries about that. And I got some dope footage from California and there's gonna be a sick movie coming sometime soon. Anyway, back to the cloning.